Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel. Today I have here a package from FedEx that came from Galen Leather with their new Kaweco Sport. So again, this is another Kaweco Sport video with the exclusive edition from Galen Leather. So let's open this. Okay, I was trying to open this the right way, but it didn't open. I'll need to get a knife. And here I am with my Victorinox knife. Let's open this in the rough and easy way. And we have all the stuff out. Oops, and the pen just fell on the floor. Sorry about this messy video. Sometimes this happens. So we have the pen in this new pen, kind of pen tube, which is very fun. We have something here, and something here. So one thing that I like about Galen Leather products is the packaging. They all come inside very beautiful boxes and small bags and other bags, and so let's just see what is here. So I bought 3 items: the Kaweco Sport pen, a case and a product, and they always send some interesting stuff. So let's just see in this very interesting burgundy thing. Let's open this. Okay. Whoa, we have a leather sleeve, full-size leather sleeve, pen sleeve. So this is very nice. We have a generic thing about Galen Leather, the history, which is nice. Then we have some refreshing towel, a tea bag, a black tea bag with these Turkish letters, which is always fun, a thank you card with discount code, some kind of stickers. I think they're stickers, yes, kind of stamp stickers, which are nice, and also a postcard. And I always like this kind of stuff that looks like vintage and beautiful, and so I'm very happy for these. And also I always like these kind of little bags because I find them useful for lots of stuff, sometimes for some drawing stuff or to hold some other things. So let's put this aside. This will be a little bit messy as usual, but I'm just showing you the stuff that I got. Now we'll go to this little bag. I love these little bags, and here I have I will leave links below for all the stuff. This is a leather balm that I bought, and I thought this leather balm would be interesting because I need to put it into some of my products, and I was thinking about doing this on my traveler's notebook. This is actually the olive green one. It's not that olive green. Only in those parts it looks like olive green, on the scuffed parts, but maybe I will try this and it will be much darker, and I think that I will lose part of that olive green, but we'll see. I like these kind of stuff. I always carry it with me, and so it's always fun. I had some viewer asking for me to do something about my traveler's notebook. Maybe I'll do it, and maybe this will help it look a little better. So let's put the notebook aside. So this is one of the products. As I told you, I'll leave links below for the store so you can see and decide if you want to get some of this stuff, if any. And let's see this other part, this cardboard, very hard cardboard. I really like it. It's very useful for my videos, and I can tell you why in a moment. So what I bought was natural leather color pouch. It's called leather zippered pouch in undyed leather for a Kaweco pocket pen. So it's how it's called. So it's not tinted in any way, and I think it's nice. It costs around 14 euros. I already had one. I actually have two. This one is it's Crazy Horse Orange. I think that's how it's called, and it was a special edition to go along with this pen, which is the Kaweco AL Sport Lagoon Blue, or Blue Lagoon for, I'm not sure if you can see, Ackerman, Amsterdam. So they made this special edition, and they asked Galen Leather to make this pouch. It is a 2-pen pouch. This is a single pen pouch, and I think it looks great. The pen here is red, but red is not my it's actually not my favorite color. So I decided to go for this one, the undyed one. Maybe you are thinking that I missed an opportunity. Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. Maybe something to go along with this would be in a better color. I really don't know. I like to have some different color stuff, and as you can see, anything goes actually with anything else. By the way, I didn't bought this one. They sent it to me. So let's put this aside. Now I just want to show you something about this. This costs around 7 euros, so you can check it. And I was saying that these boxes are quite hard, and I like them. And I'll tell you why I like them. You can keep them to keep your leather goods there, which is nice. But I actually do that for some other stuff. Imagine that I have a pen, 2 pen sleeves, a pen, another pen sleeve, and a ballpoint pen and another pen sleeve. Imagine something like that. And I need that to be shown on a video. Sometimes when I'm going to make a video about some item and I know that I will have to use this as some other stuff that I want to show in the video, sometimes I prepare more than one video. I put all the stuff into separate boxes. These boxes are great for these. I put these and I put this aside. And when I'll make the videos, I'll just have everything that I need for the video inside one of these boxes. For some videos I need larger boxes, for some other I need smaller ones. So this is really something that I usually keep these cardboard boxes for that purpose. And finally, let's go for the pen. I don't want to make this very long. The pen comes inside the tube, unlike it usually came, which was in a small box. And I think this is very nice because it's also a little pen stand, and I think that's great. And this is very, very tight. And the pen is a Kaweco Classic Sport. I think you can see there. Kaweco Classic Sport, Galen Leather, fountain pen, red, transparent, with a fine nib. Yes, I always go for the fine nib. So this is it. They would be great if they chose a red cartridge to go with it. No, they didn't. It's royal blue. But okay, so it is a gold colored steel nib with gold trim there, gold engraving there, gold engraving on the other side. So you have a very nice kind of darkish colored thing, pen, so transparent pen. It's nice, and I just, for some comparison purposes, I'm not doing this very long because I prefer to make maybe some more. I'm trying to get back into the video, so I'll try to make maybe more videos but smaller ones, and I will just zoom in. So you can see here the pen. This is the Kaweco Sport Carmine, that's the name of this color, and they already had 3 previous editions of their special pens, and they were, the first one was the Galen Leather Cognac, which was a re-release of a very rare color of Kaweco Sport, but this one has the Cognac there. Then there was this was called Violet, and this was called Sapphire. So 4 very nice colors, all transparent, all of the same color. Just for comparison, for you to see the red one, I have here the Kaweco Classic Sport in red, and you can see it's a plain red pen. This is much darker. It's more kind of almost a transparent burgundy, but you can see I have a light there that's pointing here, and I think you can see the transparency, and it's actually not as dark. It's kind of a ruby color, I would say. I like it. And just for real comparison, which I think makes sense, I have here the Kaweco AL Sport Red. Sorry, not AL Sport, Kaweco I Sport Red, those old editions, and the differences are silver trim instead of gold trim. This one has the cap and section are of the same color, and the barrel on the ice was transparent, and this is transparent red. This was clear transparent. So you can see that the colors are not the same. Let me try to play with the light there. I think you can. Showing caps is usually more easy or easier. I'm not sure if you can really notice, but let me take this out of the way just to keep the focus on the caps. I think you can see that the Galen Leather is really darker, more kind of a ruby, and is kind of a real red one. So it is a little darker, but it is a very, very nice color. I really think it's not this one. I really think it's nice, and it is a different color. It's just not a different engraving, and you can see it here. So I really enjoy this new version. This will go to my collection. The collection is still growing very quickly because of new releases, and sometimes I get also older stuff that I will show you meanwhile. So this is interesting. Let me take this out of the way and just show you again what I bought. I bought the Carmine Red, some leather balm to condition my leather products. They sent me a free leather sleeve for full-sized pen, and I bought this single Kaweco Sport pen zippered pouch, which I think it's so nice, so cute. I really think it's fun. So this is all I had to show you today. Links will be below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you'll come back soon for more videos like this. So see you next time. Bye.